Good morning, students. I am here again. Today I am taking physics for class 10, chapter 1. Today is Thursday, 16 for 20. Today I am going to introduce to you a topic that is called as couple. By definition, if we see over here, that whenever a pivoted body is acted upon by equal or opposite forces separated by a finite distance, then they form a couple. Try to look over here. Just for instance, this is a pen which is pivoted at the center, means it is free to move about the center. If this particular body is acted by two forces, one facing downwards and the other one facing upwards, then it is seen that the body is likely to turn anti-clockwise. If we reciprocate the forces, first force at one end acting upwards and an equal amount of force acting downwards, then you see that the body is known to turn clockwise. Just like a steering wheel of a car, the turning of a tap are its numerous examples. So therefore, it's clear from the definition as well as from the diagram that let us consider a body AB pivoted at the center at a point O. We could see over here in the figure, at the point A there is a downward force, at the point B there is an upward force, and the forces are at right angles to the plane of the body. If you could see over here, what more is there in the diagram, that from the center on the either ends, the length has been considered as L each. That means the total separation AB is taken to be 2L. We find over here that when these forces act on the body, they are known to turn the body anti-clockwise. Let's mathematically summate it. Moment of a couple. What we right now do is that we are going to find out the moment at a point A and the moment at a point B. Moment at a point A taken as anti-clockwise, as you could see the direction of the arrow, will be the force multiplied by the perpendicular distance OA, which is equivalent to L. So therefore, according to us, the first equation will be F into L. Likewise, if we calculate the moment at the point B, it will be F into OB, which will be equals to F multiplied by L again, because the distance between O to B is again taken as L. So we have these two equations, 1 and 2. If we take the total moment of the couple, then this couple is going to turn the body AB in the anti-clockwise direction. Let us see that. It will be the sum of equation 1 and 2. F into OB, F into OA, and then taking out F or drawing out F common, it will be OA plus OB. Replacing the values of OA and OB, it will be L plus L, which will be equals to F into 2L. Thus, we come down to the definition of the moment of couple. Moment of couple or moment of a torque is numerically equal to the product of the either force, I have underlined force over here, and the distance of separation. The distance of separation is the distance numerically measured between A and B. Thank you so much, boys. Virtual classes.